Those are waters. Hello. It's a challenging travel.
Un freddo maiale. Questo è spento, quindi non va.
Today is December 28th, and today we are going to Lago di Braies, and it's our how many times? Nth time. We've been here for many times already, and this is our second time coming to Lago di Braies in winter. We're very close to Lago di Braies, right?
Yep.
We only have a few kilometers, and my Wapito here is very focused in driving. Actually, we are using our small car. This is, let's say, our first time coming to Lago di Braies using our small car, and it's very, let's say, it's a challenging travel. We'll see. So as you can see, guys, there are snows already on the road, and there, but on the mountains it's very few. But here, look, it's really nice. Wow, look at that! It's so pretty. It's full of snow here in this area. Look, it's so pretty. Actually, it's still 7:37. We traveled very early. We went out at 4:45 a.m. and it takes 3 hours from our place to Lago di Braies, and I could say that going to Lago di Braies very early is advisable, because first, you will not find traffic in the highway. It's very peaceful, and second, when you arrive at Lago di Braies at this early, you will not find a lot of people, so you will enjoy by yourself, only for yourself, the place, and that is very beautiful. We are now officially in the winter wonderland, and he's still very focused. Don't disturb. This is the view that we have right now while traveling. So guys, we are stopping right now at a gasoline station because we need to fuel up our car, and right after here we're gonna continue to the lake. And here I can feel already the cold, and it's much colder than our place where we lived, and obviously because this area is already on the mountain, like, so the temperature is lower, like I think it's negative already. I didn't check my my phone. A lot of snows already outside. I'm staying inside the car because I'm feeling so much cold than my hubs right there, and he is fueling up the car. So we will see you there at Lago di Braies later. Bello. Tutto a posto?
C'è un freddo maiale. Questo è un po' definito.
So guys, we are arrived at Lago di Braies, and as usual, Lago di Braies is full of snow. The whole place, and that beautiful mountain right there, it's actually like the wall of the lake. The lake is in that direction, and that is the hotel that is situated very close to the lake. And during summer, this area is so splendid, like it's like a paradise. And also during winter, and so we are in the parking area, and that's where you can get your ticket. So guys, we are now walking, going to the lake, and as you can see, everything around are all covered with snow, and it's so cold. Like I cannot feel my nose anymore and my hands, because I'm trying to film, so I have to remove sometimes my gloves, so my hands are suffering from cold. But anyway, it's okay, there is no problem. So I'm gonna show you the lake now. So this is the entrance, and at my back, here it is. That is the lake there. It's so pretty. I really like my surroundings.
Non becca il cazzo. Faccio...
So we are going to do walking around the lake, because why not? This place is so beautiful. So we're gonna enjoy walking. Bello, bello, bello. Facciamo la Angel Snow
Dopo
dopo. Facciamo prima la camminata.
facciamo 2 passi perché sennò qua c'è da congelarsi.
Congelarsi.
Sì.
I can feel my hands and my nose. Good thing our jacket is our jackets are capable of this kind of place and this kind of cold in winter. So the only thing are the hands and the feet. I'm already wearing 2 socks and I still feel cold. You, how many socks did you wear?
Just one.
Just one?
One pair.
I'm really a tropical person because I cannot take this kind of cold. I think next time I'm gonna wear 3 socks. Dai, facciamo la camminata. Che bello. Dopo facciamo bello.
Guarda qua che bello.
Sì, molto bello. Dopo possiamo fare snowman. Come si chiama snowman in italiano?
L'uomo della neve.
Uomo della neve. Facciamo lì se riusciamo. Oh,
Io le mani c'è un freddo bestia e le mani nella neve non le metto.
There is a small cute bridge right there. We're gonna try to take a panoramic view from that bridge because I think that's the perfect area to take pictures, right? I think so because it has a good view of the lake right there. Oh, and there is the water, but that water is not a freeze water because even if it's snowing, it's very cold, and there is the water, or maybe there is a river. The water will remain moving, right?
Yep.
But what water is stuck only in that area. You cannot flow anywhere because there is a snow that covers. Actually, it must go from there to here. Dai, cammina, Cammina. Da un po' che non abbiamo facciamo la camminata bello. Adesso camminiamo sulla neve. Vieni, vieni, vieni. Già per andare giù?
Perché non si può deviare giù.
Oh, look at that view, guys. So, during summer, that is the lake. And during winter, it's a snow. And we are gonna go down because we're gonna walk, going there, and then we're gonna go around. I'm gonna go there, go around the lake. Let's go. Oh, it's close.
Sì.
È
È
come...
ghiacciato perché c'è il ruscello, bella. È normale. Niente, scendiamo giù di qua.
Okay. So it's close, guys. The track is closed, so we cannot go down. That's what I've told you before. So what are we going to do? We're gonna go back? Okay, so we're gonna go back to where we started. But then again, here's the view. We are still enjoying the view. And yeah, look at that. It's stunning. Sì, esatto. Praticamente adesso stiamo camminando sull'acqua. Sull'acqua, diciamo, durante l'estate. Adesso è pieno della neve. So guys, right now we are already walking on the lake. But it's covered with snow. So practically we are walking on the water. Let's say during summer, this is full of water. Now it's covered with snow. So we are walking on the lake. And people are starting to arrive. They are now starting to walk in that area. And in that part there, as of the moment, it's not advisable to walk because there are parts that are dangerous. The snow might break and it's very dangerous for people to walk on it. Gusto, Bello, Bello, how are you? Wow. So there you guys, you can see those formations. Actually, those are waters. During summer, water come out from those rocks and winter arrives, so they become like that. They become ice and Look at those formations. It's really nice. And that is why that area we were there a while ago. And there is a signage that the track is closed. It's because of this one. Because as you can see, that's the track right there. And the water flows in that area. And now it becomes ice. So the track is closed. For safety purposes, authorities in Lago di Braies, they did not allow people to go in that part. Belo. So I'm getting close to this area, but I'm just very careful not to step on the dangerous part. And maybe you can hear the water. The water is under in that ice, that big portion of ice. There is still water, and it's very dangerous to step on that part because it's easy to break in. It's very dangerous when you will be go under that ice because one, it's very cold and it's very hard to breathe. What is that? Oh, it's ice. Bring it here, Velo. Be careful. So right now we are trying to go up, and my husband is there already. It's quite far and it's overlooking. Look at that view down there. That's the lake, and here I can see that the snows are untouched. They are very fresh, and the air from this part of the lake is fresh. But then again, when you go up, the temperature gets lower and lower. So even if I'm suffering from cold, but then I still go up because of this view, because I don't want to miss this kind of view. Look at this. That's a big block of ice. Heavy.
No way. Perché qua è lungo.
So guys, like just gonna go around here, around the lake, and we're gonna go that part right there. And yeah, sadly my phone is about to go dead, so I'm gonna leave you here and hope to see you in our next adventure. Bye guys, from Lago di Braies.
Ciao!
So,
No, fai...
we are now going down, going home, and it's 12:51 p.m. But we are still enjoying the view here, the view of the road that we're taking right